I had started moving out of my room. My craft room is finished enough that I can start moving. We still have some tweaking to do. And I have cleared off some stuff right there and in that corner. And that's it. So I've got all this to go out and organize. And stuff is piled everywhere because it's a very small room. And my intentions are right now is taking and clearing everything off the desk and taking it out there. I have some racks out there, putting everything out on that, and then getting my desk out of here, because that's the main part that I use. And then I'll do it in sections on the pieces or things that I use the most. And the only thing is, tomorrow will be the only day I'll have to do it. And then Tuesday I'll be doing my clothes, washing my clothes up and getting ready to go to Missouri. I'll leave Wednesday morning for Missouri, and I won't be back till next Sunday. So I won't be moving a whole lot, but I wanted to show you where I'm at in here and how much stuff I have to move. And I can't even get back far enough to really show you. But next I'm going to go out there here in a minute, or maybe it's getting late, maybe in the morning, and I'll show you the craft room. All right, here is the craft room. I have 3 of those black shelves here. And right now I'm just taking everything off my desk and I'm putting it there, so I'll know that's the stuff that goes on my desk, most likely. And then I have 3 more tables that needs to come in here and all my stuff. So I'm going to be a long time. Of course, you'll be seeing this video probably after I get back from Missouri. So I've just got today to work on this and a little bit of tomorrow. And then Wednesday I head out to Missouri. So this will be a while in the making. It'll be a while before I be able to make another video, a crafting video. So I'll keep you up to date on what I'm doing and how far I'm getting ever so often. Okay, this was a full day's work, and pretty much all I got done was clear my work table. And I'll put a picture in here and it'll just be the top of it, and you'll see how much stuff I had loaded on it. There was stuff underneath it, and I brought all that in here also. There was all these bins under here. And of course I gave this table, I took this table here and sanded the top because it was just kind of like really rough plywood. I sanded it and put a coat of polyurethane and done that 2 more times, so that took some time. Had to stop and get dinner or lunch and then supper. So, and now I'm in here, I've measured this all out. I'm trying to figure out how to do my layout. Well, I'm trying to find the one I started with, and I don't know what I did with it. Anyways, oh, there it is. I'm trying to figure out where everything goes, and I had the shelves that went over my desk. That's just the small one that was on top. I need to have wall space for that. I'm only going to keep 2 racks in here. The other rack is going to go into my wood room, and I'll take you in there and show you what we've been working on that too. So let me show you that. Oh, it's hot out here. Whew. This is it. It's not finished yet. I've still got to bring all the wood in and a bunch of my tools and things. But at least I can come out here now and I can use my miter saw, and I can't remember what that's called. And my scroll saw and my drill press are all out here now. And then I have a table here. Somehow I have got to have a work table So I'm going to have to find a place to put all my tools. Because I have a lot more than this. There's a lot more than this. My nail gun, for one's gone. My sander. Must have some more drills. And this is just the light to go outside the door. I don't know why I got two of them. And then the doorknobs, of course. And then back over in this area here, we'll have for wood. That's over in that corner. And that'll be handy because that's right off my craft room. Put those curtains down, or no, bed sheets down, because that's all I have right now. But sun starts coming in here. It starts getting hot. Those racks, I'm pretty sure will stay there because right now he hasn't ran any electricity on that wall. And that's really putting a bummer in things. He's going to, but it's not done yet. Okay, I think, and now that's all I've got done so far. But it's been a lot. Doesn't look like it, but it was. And then tomorrow, of course, I'm going to Missouri, so I just have today, and what I'm going to spend my days trying to figure out where everything goes. Of course, I got to do my laundry and gather up all my stuff and get ready to go tomorrow, make sure my car's cleaned out. You know, all the things you have to do before you go somewhere. All right, this is the next morning after I got to Missouri, and we're getting ready to float the river. And let me tell you, it was hot, and I'm not used to the humidity.
Here, let's see here if I can get all of them in here. Woo! Hey, come over here. I think I might be able to get everybody in here.
Okay. Well, we stopped along the river to eat, and I'm about ready to burn up. The family's over there, still standing here. I found me a little bit of shade and a log to sit on. They can stand out there in the sun. And here's a eagle that we saw up in the trees while we was floating the river. And the funny thing was, is my little granddaughter said before we got to Missouri, that while she was there, she wanted to see an eagle. Well, she got to see one. Okay, here are just a few pictures of us while we was on the river. Okay, after floating a river, we went through this little park and it was free, and they had buffalo, elk, and deer, and the kids really did enjoy that. And then my daughter took me to one of my favorite spots when I go to Missouri, and it's Old Time Finds. And I always enjoy browsing around there. I got a few things, but I'll share that in the next video. And as I walked in the door, there stood Jenny. She does videos over on Facebook, and she is Crafting Out Loud with Jenny. So I was very happy to see and get to meet her in person. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed the update on my craft room and some time that I spent with my family. And on the next video, I'll have a haul, because where my daughter lives in Eureka, they had a brand new Goodwill, and it was packed with people, and it was packed with items also. And I got quite a few things. So that'll be in my next video. So until the next one, we'll see you later.